With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of dreaming of what it could have been besides memories.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Trying to be like Jeffree Star over here. He is so iconic. I thought I'd do another video for you guys centered around the new Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics collaboration. So excited for them and so proud of them both. Since they had released it, they had honestly broke the internet. Shopify had broke. Everyone was, it was like the Hunger Games. Everyone was trying to get in on that palette. And just everything, really, everything sold out within the first like few hours and no one could get their orders. Like, I was on there since 6 AM. I was refreshing the page. But yeah, I got up so early. I went out for Halloween that Friday and that Saturday, and I got up early Saturday morning for this collection. I was so tired. I was honestly like a zombie. My hands were like sweating like waterfalls. I managed to get a few things in my cart. I'm so glad I managed to get my hands on everything. I'm not sure if I got my hands on the Conspiracy palette. The main thing, which I'm so gutted about, so I bought from Black Swallow and they had such a huge hump of orders. I did manage to get it in my cart and check out and pay with Afterpay, and then it said that it had been sold out as soon as I had paid it. But I'm glad I got everything else. I got the pig mirror, I got the pig liquid lipstick kit, I got one extra liquid lipstick, and I got the mini controversy palette on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. I do know that they took a little while longer to sell the mini controversy. I don't even know if it's still on their website now. Regardless, they broke the internet. They set makeup records, which is so amazing. I knew this launch was going to be huge. Oh, and by the way, since I filmed my last video, my DMs like blew up like crazy. I was featured in the episode, like the last episode, but it's not the last episode, there's still more coming. I was featured in the palette reveal video, which is like one of the biggest videos of the series. I was shook. Like, it was 5 seconds of me doing like shading in the tea and like drawing the drips of my conspiracy look. I did not know that Shane Dawson even saw my videos, so the fact that he watched it and put it in a series was so amazing, and it just makes me appreciate him even more. And for him to put my look in his video, it just shows that he liked it. So, but how do we know? That's the line he used when he featured my video. But how do we know that it's gonna do well or something like that? I don't know. And then since then, some followers of mine have been spotting that scene of me in Snapchat articles, which is really strange because like I was only 5 seconds of like an hour and something long episode, and Snapchat even features me, so that's really cool. Let's hope I get the collection quick because I really want to do a tutorial with it. So today isn't a look using the products, unfortunately. I'm gonna wait till I get them, and then obviously I'm gonna review them straight away for you guys. I know there's like so many reviews already, but hopefully you guys appreciate my review. And quickly before I get into this conspiracy makeup tutorial, I wanted to quickly show you something that I got sent from Daniel Wellington. They have released some new watches on their website, and it is called the Iconic Link. So I'm so stoked to have been sent this. Like, so many people talk about Daniel Wellington, and there's a lot of cool people in this campaign, such as Hailey Bieber. So this is the Iconic Link. They also have ones with black backs and like silver link chains. It is honestly such good quality, would make a perfect gift, and especially because Christmas is coming up. You just click this here and it becomes undone and you pop it on. My most favorite thing is this bracelet as well. Look how cool this bracelet is. I find it so classy and it's so like sturdy, and honestly you just like push it on and twist it around. So cool. I honestly love them so much. So classy. I'm so glad I own something from Daniel Wellington now. You can use the code Alicia Jones to get 15% off your order. I'll leave the link down below in my description if you are interested in checking them out. Okay, so let's just jump straight into the tutorial. So first I'm using my favourite Thin Lizzy eyeliner and corrector pen, and I'm doing the winged eyeliner, and it's like a drippy winged liner. I did get this drippy winged liner idea somewhere from Instagram. I have no idea who came up with this idea, but yes, I seen it somewhere on Instagram. And I'm drawing like the conspiracy swirl within the eyeliner. Now I'm adding the white, so this is the white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics. I really love this, but I'm running out, so I really need to purchase some more. And I'm just carefully drawing in the white stripes in that liner, and I actually really like the way this looked. I might do some kind of candy cane version for Christmas or something. Let me know if you want to see that. Now I'm writing the conspiracy writing on my forehead. I did do a look like this, like my first conspiracy look. I did have conspiracy written on my forehead, and I thought I'd do it again because it's like a continued version of the look. It's kind of almost like a series within itself, doing more conspiracy looks. I don't know. But I thought it looked quite cool, so I'm just going over that, making the writing really thick, and I'm adding in that little like conspiracy pyramid on the top of the eye, and then I'm making that stand out by using that white liquid liner, and I am drawing around the writing, and this just really makes it pop and it makes it stand out. And I come to find that my style is really cartoony. It's almost like pop art. A lot of my art on Instagram. I think that's what makes me different as well. Not only do I do gory looks and scary looks, I also do quite like detailed pop arty kind of looks. So I'm using this red, and I'm just blending this underneath my lash line, and I'm also shading with a grey shade underneath the conspiracy writing. By the way, this video might look weird, and it's because I've got the whole video flipped in my iMovie settings, because the conspiracy writing is backwards when I don't have it flipped, and it looks really weird. So I had to flip the whole video so the conspiracy writing was the right way. So I just used a brown in the crease from that Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and this white. Honestly, such pigmented eyeshadows. I absolutely love them. Now I'm using the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner, and I'm using this to map out the pictures on my chest. So I'm doing the conspiracy swirl, which was from their campaign, and it's on the packaging of the outer layer of the conspiracy box. And I'm just doing all the symbols that are engraved in the eyeshadow pans. So the difference between this look and my first conspiracy look I did was this one has all the like legit logos. So the first look I did, it was obviously just a guess of what the pans would be, because I watched the palette reveal, like the collection reveal of the last episode that they have out at the minute, and that's what they showed, like all the kind of pans, but they weren't all like a full thing yet. So here's all the proper pans, and I absolutely love them. And it's so Shane as well, like he's not a makeup artist, and I think that's a good thing because he's different and he just wanted to create shades that he really likes and what he thought was interesting for the palette, and it actually works really well and it's quite unique. So I really love that about the palette. I just filmed this voiceover, and since then I have brought the conspiracy palette off of Trademe. It just appeared today. Trademe is like a New Zealand eBay almost, and I know it was more expensive because people are trying to make money, but honestly I was so desperate I just had to buy it. So I brought it and it was like $169. I'm like, I know it is so much, but I honestly was desperate to get my hands on it, and it was the only one on Trademe, and it will ship to me super fast because the person has it in New Zealand. So let's hope that that does get to me and it's not a scam. I don't know, for some reason I have this bad feeling at the back of my head that like it's a scam or something. I don't know, but Trademe's pretty safe and you pay with either Afterpay or ping, and if you have any issues you can get refunds through them. So yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. So anyway, I'm taking all the shades that kind of would go well with these symbols, and also shades that are in the latest palette as well. This pink colour for the pig was really pigmented, and I'm using this light brown shade for the cup of tea. Yeah, I find that the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar eyeshadows are super pigmented. It is actually the only Jeffree Star palette that I own, sad enough, and I'm definitely going to buy some more of his eyeshadows because, I don't know, I feel like after watching the series I've become more obsessed with him and Shane Dawson. How's it even possible? So yeah, but anyway, such good pigmented quality eyeshadows, if that makes sense. Yeah, so now I'm shading in the Diet Cola can, and I'm making it orange because that was a colour in the Conspiracy palette. I so can't wait to get my hands on the pig bag or the tracksuit, like the top and the track pants. They got sold out super fast last time, so I'm really hoping that I get them this time. And apparently the merch releases today, so I'm uploading this video at 8:30 AM and the merch releases sometime. So great, there goes more money buying merch. I swear I've spent so much money on this collection, obviously even more so because they brought a palette that was like triple the price on Trade Me, but it's because I'm honestly desperate for the palette. I did manage to get everything else though, like I said in the intro, which is exciting. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get to me. Hopefully not too long. Anyway, what other YouTubers are you guys loving at the moment? Because I feel like I don't watch many anymore. Like, I started to get into Mikey again, and I watched her videos over Halloween. I found them quite interesting. And I watched some of Nikki's Halloween videos. I quite liked them, like the filming themselves, getting their makeup done in a forest and, you know, all that kind of stuff. I really liked that. But yeah, if you guys have any YouTubers that you love to watch, then please let me know, because I feel like I don't watch YouTube that much anymore. You know, I'm uploading all these videos, and is that what's happening? Like, no one's really watching YouTube anymore? I don't really know. Like, for me, it's different because some videos do really well and then some videos don't. And yeah, I can just never tell what ones are going to do well and what ones aren't. My Halloween videos didn't do too well this year. Obviously you guys love them on Instagram, but I feel like views wise on YouTube it's just harder and harder to get noticed these days because of the oversaturation of videos and content creators and everyone out there on YouTube. There are just so many talented people. So yeah, it's just hard to kind of get your stuff out there when there is so many people. So yeah, so I shaded in all those pictures with the white and I drew around them with black, and you want to make sure you highlight and shade all the areas because it makes it stand out and really pop. And then I go on with a cream white eyeliner from Wet n Wild, which was really pigmented and amazing, and this NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean to create the swirl. And then I use a smaller Thin Lizzy eyeliner to just get all in those gaps, and I think this turned out really cool. And yes, it does remind me of like a Target or a Wonder Woman shield, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. So here's the finished makeup tutorial. I really like the way this one turned out. It almost reminds me of like Wonder Woman. The eyeliner almost reminds me of like a candy cane, like Christmas makeup or something. This one I feel is a lot more detailed, and I put a lot more effort into this one. This one took way longer. If you guys want to see me review the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star conspiracy collection, then let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you got your hands on the makeup collection. Let me know what you got if you did. Let me know what you think about it, and also let me know any like makeup tutorial recommendations you want to see me create with the collection. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8:30 AM New Zealand time. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.